Hey guys, how's it going? How to add another Google account on iPhone. So there's two ways that you can pull this off. One, you could just go ahead to your Gmail, which is basically a Google account, and you're gonna be able to go ahead right here to your Gmail and click the avatar icon at the top right, and basically click manage account. Right in the manage account, what you gonna not managing account. I'm gonna click the avatar icon again, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into click and add another account, and you're gonna be able to add another account from Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo, or Google account. So in my case, I'm gonna just add a Google account, and then you're gonna proceed to see a new window. Click right here to enter your email or phone and enter the password, and basically you're gonna be able to add it and see it within those accounts. The second way you can do it basically the same, but you can just go ahead to your browser and just go ahead to Google, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the avatar icon at the top right, and you're gonna be able right here to show more accounts, and basically click add another account. Basically you're gonna be able to do the same drill. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.